How are you all people? Hope you are fine. Welcome to today's session. Last week we have learned about the phrases and compound nouns. In this session we will learn about degree of comparison. The adjectives change in form to show comparison. They are called degrees of comparison. Usually we use qualities, characteristics of people, places or things to compare them. There are three types of degree of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Coming to the positive degree, the positive degree is used to refer to one subject, person or place without making any comparison. Look at the example. Sam is clever. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. In comparative degree, we add er to the adjective and than is used. Look at the example. Sam is cleverer than Peter. The superlative degree refers to a greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. In superlative degree, we add est to the adjective and the is used before the adjective. Look at the example. He is the cleverest boy in the class. To understand in a better way, look at one more example, children. Raju is a tall boy. Raju is taller than Ramu. Raju is the tallest boy in the class. I hope you people have understood it. To understand in a better way, here is a list of adjectives. Write the other degrees of them. The first one is done for you children. Degree of comparison for multisyllable words. In this section, we will learn about degree of comparison for multisyllable words. We shall study about the different classes of adjectives to which more and most is added as prefix to form the comparative and superlative degree respectively. The word more and most are added as to the prefix to the positive form which has two or more than two syllables. Now what is a syllable, children? Syllable is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonant forming a whole or a part of a word. To understand it more clearly, listen to few multisyllabic words given below. The word work has only one syllable. The word useful is made of two syllables, useful. The word beautiful is made up of three syllables, beautiful. To form comparative and superlative degrees of this adjective, we don't add er or est. We add the words more and most. Look at the example. Useful, more useful, most useful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Doubtful, more doubtful, most doubtful. I hope you people have understood it. You take down the second activity, children, and fill up the degrees. Some words change completely in other degree. Few of them are given below. Good, better, best. For bad and evil, we will have the same comparative and superlative. Worse and worst. Much, more, most. Far, farther, farthest. Little, least, least. Now, I hope children, you people have understood degree of comparison. Thank you.